So my guy on YouTube wasn't kidding. The top looks amazing. Um, you can see some of the scratches when the sun's right behind it, but if you stand over here, looks next to new. So looking good. I believe the clamps have done their job with the rail, so I'm going to call that good and pull the clamps off. Okay, I'm just going to run around and anything that has some filler, I'm going to give it a quick sanding before I do a quick shellac wash on the whole dresser. So something like that. It'll need a little bit more, but you get the idea. Okay, so I just use a slotted screwdriver to pry out the old tacks. So this one is riding, I think, a little bit high here. This one looks fairly level, although I think there's a staple or a nail or something in the way of the drawer travel, so I'm going to have to hammer that or chisel it or something. A weird place to put staples. They're up here too. See the little, they must be locking these things. So that's a weird one. This one's got it too. All right, well, maybe I'll grab a file, grind that thing down. So anyways, moving right along. I waxed the box and I think I've got everything else. I just need to get these situated. Okay, so this is the finale kind of for the dresser. I'm putting in a thicker nylon button here because this is kind of chipped out. And then over here I found a fresh, clean, non-oxidized steel tack. I figured out that these dresser drawers are actually plywood. And so they need to travel on something smooth, otherwise they have a tendency to chip. So, I mean, it's oak plywood, but it's plywood. So, another triumph of the cheapness of the mid-century modern movement. But hopefully we got her figured out here. So that's it. Scratches and mega chips are gone. The top looks a lot better than it did. Drawer smoothed, drawer smooth, drawer smooth, drawer smooth. And then the other side, pretty much good to go as well. So I need to get this out of here. I'll take it to my storage space, get it off the property, and then I'll make some legs, and then I'll put them on later at the space.